Arrow's Oscillating Blade Kit offers the ultimate in precision, convenience, and versatility. When you have multiple cutting applications, this handy blade kit makes it quick and easy. Clean cuts every time. Inside the compact storage case, you'll find 10 blades, which are designed to be a universal fit on most major brands of oscillating multi-tools. The kit includes 8 high-speed steel blades made with military-grade steel, 2 large and 2 small Japanese tooth blades, ideal for fast cutting through wood with speed and power. 2 large and 2 small fine-tooth blades for flush cuts on a variety of materials including plastics, drywall, PVC, steel, and non-ferrous metals. Also included, 1 large and 1 small bimetal blade designed for cutting through nail-embedded wood, hardwoods, and softwoods. Easily swap out blades and get back to work. Get perfect results with Arrow's Oscillating Blade Assortment Kit. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We'd love to see the projects you're working on.